I've got the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra right here. The camera or cameras on this device is something that Samsung has marketed and advertised very extensively. Now, one of the features Samsung has been advertising is its new macro shot. And this is actually not a feature that can be easily found in the camera application. So today I'm going to show you how to use Samsung's new macro mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, this feature is not included in their array of actual features that you can pick from, even though they are directly advertising it. So the camera application will only switch into macro mode whenever the 1x option is selected. So if you have it on the wide angle lens, it will not trigger. If you have it on the 3x or the 10x options, again, it will no longer trigger. You need to have it on the 1x option. And when you have it on that 1x option, you're likely going to see a couple of extra buttons down here at the bottom left and bottom right corner. After you have switched over to the 1x option, you're going to want to then bring your object closer to the lens, because at a certain distance, that is when Samsung enables its macro option. By default, if you are not focused on something that is close to you, I'm not exactly sure what the distance required is, but it's more than a few inches. You're going to see this focus option come here at the bottom left, the focus enhancer. Now, if you want, you can disable it. But if you're wanting to take macro shots, you need this option enabled. And again, you're going to want to look for these two yellow dots in the bottom left to make sure that you are currently in macro mode. It's automatically coming on in this setup because the desk is very close to the camera. Kind of hard for me to get a before and after with my recording setup. But if you do not see the two yellow dots, then that means you are not currently in macro mode, and you need to first switch over to the 1x option and then bring whatever subject you're taking a picture of, you need to bring it closer to the camera so that the two yellow dots will appear in the bottom left corner. Once that's happened, it doesn't matter if your scene optimizer option is on or off. We're just looking at the bottom left corner, making sure that the two yellow dots are there. And then whenever we take a photo, we are using the new macro mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra.